Hi guys, oh my gosh. Hi, hello, I'm Grace from Diamond Paint with Grace. I have got number 7. I've lost track. I don't know, it's in my storage quest. I'm on the hunt to find the perfect storage solution. Okay, this one comes to me thankfully, and thank you so much to FGNORMAL. I'm excited about this one. I truly am. Wait till you see what's inside. Come with me, guys. Before you do that, if you've stumbled on my channel for the very first time in your diamond painting world and craft and quest of your own, I would love for you to stumble, stay and subscribe by hitting the button down there on the bottom of your screen, next to which is a notification bell, which will go ding each and every single time I upload a new video. I'm doing back-to-back videos, and it's all happening today. Before we do that though, please, let's throw some love out to the Patreons of the channel. You are so very appreciated, and those that have bought me a coffee or a love heart through the Buy Me a Coffee program, thank you. It is so appreciated. Let's throw some love out to these peeps, and I am going to see you on the flip side. Come with me, guys. Come on. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, you don't even understand how excitables I am about this product. This product has been sent to me for review by FGNORMAL, and I am thankful and grateful, and I am dying to get inside and see what this is all about. Now, I have seen these by other companies. I don't know if there's going to be a brand on this, but it is certainly going to be part of my storage solutions. Let me get my scissors here. My storage solution quest. So let's see what I've got in here. Oh. Okay, alrighty. Oh my gosh, it feels so lovely. Wow, okay. And okay. So they're drawers, and and it's upside down. Oh, okay, alrighty. Calm down, Gracie. They're upside down. Who knew that? All right. There we go. All right. Okay. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're locked in. They're locked in. They're not sliding. They're not sliding. Blah, 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 blah. They're not sliding side to side. They're sliding this way because they're interlocking in these grooves here, see? So I can potentially, yes, take that out and then put that back in. That is awesome. Oh, okay. We get a little funnel, a silicone funnel. Pardon my laptop that's going off on the side. I forgot to silence it. I'm doing this on my lunch break. A silicone funnel. Now, I will be honest. I'm not a Tic Tac fan, Tic Tac container fan. I really am not. I'm guessing that's what this is for. And to maybe put in there like that to fill. Okay, I'm not the biggest fan of Tic Tacs, I've got to tell you. That's just a personal preference. I wasn't sure when I spoke to them about wanting to. Oh, and look what else is under here. Let me dig them out. Oh gosh, how am I going to get this now? You get labels that are at the bottom. I want to get them out without upsetting them all. Beautiful. And we get labels. Here we go. That's pretty cool. When I spoke to them about wanting to review this, I honestly thought it came with the bottles, but this is the one that comes with the Tic Tac containers. Now I'm going to see if I can actually put bottles in here. and I don't know what I'm going to do with the containers themselves. This one particularly has got a bit of a scratch in the plastic here. It's not going to harm the functionality of the drawer. I like the fact that it's got a really, really big lip here. Look at that. So even me with my big nails, I can actually get, like when I'm, let me lift this up. So when I'm pulling that out, it's really nice and big, because I've got big man hands, as I always say, big fat fingers. Yeah, it's really nice and easy to do that. So that is awesome. That is awesome. There's a hole in here. I don't know, maybe to stick your finger through and pull. This is it's that acrylic-y plastic, so you probably wouldn't want to go out and drop it. I feel that it would go places if you did. Oh, okay. Another funnel. And does that mean they've all got, and they've all got funnels. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. And they've all got the labels. Okay. The labels I will keep, because I can always do with the labels. That's easy. But yes, as far as these go now, as I saw before, oh, hang on, and there's holes here as well. Now these typically speak to me that, oh, have I mucked it up now, Gracie? How did you put that in? Yep, I like it because they're really tightly together. But these holes here, okay, if you're savvy enough to do it yourself, or you've got someone in your life that can help you, if you wanted to screw these to a wall or to a cork, I wouldn't say a cork board, but an MDF or a hard board in front of you, you could have them sitting up above your table, and it's all about space saving. You don't put them down on the table like that, that's a waste. But if you put them up high, you're going to be able to utilize the full surface area of your table underneath. Okay, alrighty, I see that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 5s are 35, 70 and 70. So there's 140 in this set. And of course, I'll put the details in the description below, and I'll probably put a screenshot here as well. It's in like a very neutral color as well, which I like. I'm wondering, I wonder. Do they interlock side to side as well? Would that make sense to anyone else, do you think? Maybe, maybe not. Hang on, let me zoom you out so you can see how I'm going to muck this up royally. Okay. Let me put that aside so you don't see any of that rubbish. That's the bag from before. All right, so what I was trying to ascertain is, I'm looking at these. Will that slide in there? Does it? Nope. Let me take this out because I'm really scared I'm going to tip that upside down. All right. Now I can be a little bit more rough. Does it go in there? I don't think it does. It sort of lends itself to wanting to, unless I just don't have the, oh, it does. It does. Okay. Look at that. No hands. All right, so you could potentially, like, I'll put this one on the bottom then. You could just really interlock these so well. So, hang on a second. I'm doing it off camera because I've got it leaning against me. And oh, come on. Nope. Takes a bit of working. But it... Alrighty. All right, sister. Alrighty. Okay. All right, so I want to try something else. Bear with me a sec, because I'm wondering, as I said, I would prefer to use these for my bottles. So I've got something to the side here that I'm curious about. Now this has come from just a completely different storage system, okay? Now this is going to be fun. Let me pour. Oh well, yeah. I'll take these out there. All right. I'm going to take these out, and I want to see how many of these bottles, which you may or may not have seen in a previous, and if they actually fit, and they fit comfortably. Oh, no they don't. Oh, you can only put 3? Really? And it looks like unless they're in tight, they're going to topple over. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. I may have to investigate the bottle version of this and see just how big the bottles are. Can you see what I'm doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I mean, they do fit in there. I could probably put 21, 22, and 23 if I wanted to be a nice tight squeeze. And that would be pretty easy with my nails. It'd probably be a bit of a pain to sort of, struggle. That's just me, struggling to get them out. So I would, for comfort's sake, maybe use these. That could be an option too. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you could do a kit that's got a small amount, and then if you're doing a lot of those sort of kits that have got only that amount and you've got a whole bunch of these bottles, you've got 4 kits kitted up here on the lip of the here you can put the name of the painting that you're doing so that you always know. And what I would also do is when you're using the stickers, whether it be these ones or whether it be the ones that come with the these ones, or whether it be round ones that come with these ones here, that's what these ones come with. When you're labeling them, I would do, if you're going to have 4 different paintings, 1, 2, 3, 4, I would have 4 different colors on your stickers, as in use 4 different color textures, just to keep them separated. God forbid you would put, mix them up somehow. That's just a little something that I do. And if I show you, well, I won't show you, but I've got paintings that are being, or not paintings, diamonds that are being stored in a stackable sort of arrangement at the moment, and I've labelled and I've used different colours texture on the actual labels themselves. Okay, so let me get rid of these because it's not about the bottles, but I'm just trying to show you a bit of versatility on how you can use these. And I reckon, because I know for sure I'm not going to use these tic-tac-toe containers, okay, I know for sure I'm not going to use the tic-tac-toe containers, so you never know where you may see these, okay. You may never see, you may never know where you'll see these in an up and coming giveaway. Now in each one there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35. There's 35. So I could do 4 giveaways of 35 each, or I could give them all to one person. You put down in the comments below, should it be split into 4? 4 lucky people get 35 each. And it's not going to be with the container, okay? It'll be just these, okay? Do I do one big giveaway and give one lucky person all of these, or do I spread the love and 4 lucky people? It's not going to be in this video. It will be in an up and coming one, okay? But let me know what you think. I know what I want to do. It'd be interesting to see if you guys concur. So, Reese, thank you so much, FGNORMAL, for sending these out. I'm going to have a whole bunch of fun putting these all back in now. But these are Tic Tac containers, and they're just not my jam. They're just not my jam. They are, for me, too small, but I know heaps of people out there love them. Absolutely love them, okay? They do hold a very small quantity as well, okay? So let me pop these in here. Okay, I'm going to do that. And I really do like this. I will be ordering another one. This one was provided, and I'm very, very grateful, very, very grateful. But I am going to now purchase a second set of 4, and I'm going to try and locate them with the bottles, which is going to be awesome. I'm curious to know. I'm curious to know who's got these, who has got them, who's got this set up. And who's got them. Like, as I said, I think there is a branded one out there perhaps, and this has got no brand on it whatsoever anywhere on it. All right, guys, let me just finish this up. Don't forget to tell me in the comments about your what you think. Do you 4 lucky people or 1 lucky person? If you're the 1 lucky person, you're the lucky person. But you then also increase your chances, don't you? Because, like I said, there's 35. So if you're a fan of these containers, I'm happy to put them in a post-it pack, and it's open to international as well. I'm a firm believer that, you know, I have so many international peeps on my channel, and I will send it international as well. That would be my absolute pleasure if international people won, or if my Aussie peeps won. Either, you all mean the world. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this, my storage solution quest. It keeps going and going and going, and I've got more to come. It's almost there. It's almost there. I really like this system though. I really, really do like this system. I'm going to interchange these with the bottles, and I'm going to love it even more. I like the compactness. I like the fact that you can add and modulate. You can really do that. And as I said, if you've got someone who's handy dandy, you can get them put onto a wall, which is even super cool. I really do like this system. Or, you know, I've put it out there now. I'm not going to change my mind. These would have been awesome for special diamond storage, wouldn't it? But no, I've already got that sorted, so I'm not going to renege. I'm a woman of my word. These are the containers inside are going to you guys. Well, thank you so much to FGNORMAL for sending this out to review. Oh, I really, really do appreciate that. It almost looks no. Let's squish it back down. I get myself into trouble too many times. Oh, thank you so much, FGNORMAL. I really, really appreciate it. If you've gotten to the end, what can I say? Thank you. A thumbs up to you guys, and I would love one in return. Wherever you are in your part of the world, please do look after yourselves. Look after each other, okay? It's so super important. Until my next video, I'm going to send you all much, much, much love, okay? And ciao, ciao for now.